Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a SKP file into a DWG CAD file. So basically what you have to do is the main reason of converting a SketchUp file into DWG file is basically for its overall top plan. So for that, first of all, we are going to turn on the large tool set menu from the settings, and then after that we are going to turn on the view setting from here, which is the camera views. So basically it gives all the access to the cameras, and after that we are going to use views tag, which will help us do this. And after doing this, what we will do is we will just click on the top plan menu, which is right second over here. That is the top view of the model. So after making the top view of the model, what we will do is we will go to file, we'll select export, we'll select 3D model, and under the option, when the dialog box pops out, after that, we have to select the option of DWG, which is an AutoCAD file, and you just write a name, let's say CAD file, CAD Comrade CAD file, and just press export. It will take a few minutes or few seconds just to export the thing. Then you can simply check it right over here. You can just go to AutoCAD, open AutoCAD. When the AutoCAD is open, just under the option of open, you select open file. You go to the location where you have saved the file and just simply open the file right over here. So as you can see, your 3D CAD file from SketchUp is ready right over here and can be edited as however you want it. So this is how simple it is to actually convert a SketchUp file into a DWG file or a DXF file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.